Hi and welcome to WDS 2026, the International World Defense Show, one of the most important defense exhibitions in the Middle East. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and web TV for the event, and during 5 days we'll cover with latest news and video coverage to showcase what you can see at WDS 2026. And now let's go to see a short overview of what we can see at WDS 2026. World Defense Show is a real international defense exhibition. Of course, there is a large presence of Saudi Arabia defense companies, but also there is several international pavilions. And we can see behind me one of the most important pavilions is Turkey. They present a full range of different types of equipment in the field of air, land and sea. And you can see behind me two main companies manufacturer of combat vehicles, including Autocar and also FNSS. Autocar present different type of 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 vehicles, and also the Tulpar, a new generation of light combat vehicles. FNSS unveiled at WDS a new generation of combat vehicles, the Kaplan FSRV. At WDS 2026, Turkish company FNSS unveiled a new generation of fire support reconnaissance vehicles based on the Kaplan, a tracked armored vehicles equipped with a new turret, armed with a 30mm cannon, and also on each side of the turret, new anti-tank guided missile. At the booth of Turkish Aerospace, you can see the latest generation and fifth generation of fighter aircraft developed and fully designed by the Turkish defense industry. The Turkish company Aselsan also present different type of new air defense systems, including the Korkut, a short-range air defense system equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, and also the new Gurs is a new generation of anti-drone combining cannon and also air defense missile. WDS 2026 is also an opportunity for the American company Lockheed Martin to display a full-scale model of the F-35, one of the most modern fighter aircraft in the world, who has conducted recently different combat operations in the world. And you can see behind me the company Araf, a Saudi defense company, who unveils different types of 4x4 combat vehicles. For Saudi armed forces is also an opportunity to present and display latest generation of combat vehicles, including in this case you can see the National Guard pavilion, and you can see behind me the Aravis is a French 4x4 armored vehicles, and also soft-frame vehicles, also designed and manufactured by French company. Outside the area, you can see also latest generation of air defense system, the VL Mika, produced and manufactured by the company MBDA. We can say that today WDS becomes a new 3 services defense exhibition, including land, air and naval sector. In this case, you can see the new area dedicated for the naval part of the show. And now, let's go to see this new area. Now you can see the outside area where the Saudi Arabian army present latest combat vehicles which are now in service with the Saudi armed forces. You can see Oshkosh vehicles, VAB vehicles, and also the M1A2 Abrams. In the outside area at WDS 2026, there is also a presence of the US Army presenting one of the most important combat vehicles in service with the US Army. You can see on the left side the M1A2 Abrams the M2 Bradley. This is the infantry fighting vehicle in service with the US Army, and also the famous HIMARS rocket launcher systems, which are also deployed in the combat operation in the Russian-Ukrainian war.
I am the General Manager of Weapon Systems Division of John Cockerill. We present here the 4x4 armored vehicle with what we call the CLWS, Cockerill Light Weapon System. That is a remote turret that can be equipped with a 25mm or a 30x113 automatic cannon in 25mm dual feet. Big advantages: it's lightweight, it's low profile, and in the 30, maybe in the 25 in the future, we will be able to shoot airburst ammunition, anti-drone. Anti-drone becomes very important in the battlefields. And so with the CLWS, we don't have only a solution, direct fire for targets on the ground, but also we have a solution to give a level of auto protection against drones. We present ourselves in a certain segment of vehicles as a unique solution provider. 4x4, 6x6 platforms, we can put our medium caliber turrets on it. We present to the end user and to customers a full solution, mobility and lethality. But for other platforms, tracked 8x8, we as a weapon systems provider, we can deliver to other vehicle OEMs. And Arcus, they are also allowed to put other weapon systems on their vehicle in function of what the customer needs.
This year we present to you Mavericks. Mavericks is a new 4x4 from Arcus. It's a 90 tons vehicles up to level 4 with 3-ton payload. The capability of this vehicle is really impressive in sand and stone. We have tried this vehicle in URA last year, and the result is really impressive for all the corps. This truck is the only trucks we don't have breakdown in these materials. Yes, it's really a new development from Arcus. We have developed our own driveline for this vehicle, and we developed the protection for this vehicle too. The crew is up to 10 persons. We can modify to this APC for integrate all systems like NRBC or other stuff. This level is come from level 2 up to level 4. The max speed is 110 kilometers. We can cross obstacles up to 50 centimeters. We can provide 60 degrees slope. This vehicle is equipped with engine for 400 horsepower. In Middle East and in other countries, you want a new APC with high level of protection and high level of mobility.
The development of the CLWS is not specifically for the Middle East. This specific weapon system is part of a European development project called FAMOUS. It's developed in the scope, in the context of a consortium of different European players. Hopefully we will see this weapon system on different vehicles in different European countries.